Hello folks, how y'all doing? This is Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to be taking up the e-flite SR22 Cirrus. We're down there at the other end of the runway. You might be able to see the flashing wing light. I'm going to put her in range mode. Now, let me show you how you do that. You take your, down here to your function screen, you go to range test. You press your bind button, which simulates power loss, and then look at your models. Wiggle all the controls, look for movement, and I got movement. Don't forget to take it out of range test and back to your normal. All right, so that means that I'm actually, you're supposed to be 90 feet, and I'm actually about 100 feet. So I'm actually about 100 feet. So actually a little more than necessary. The SR22 Cirrus is an incredibly easy model, not as far as flying, but it is as far as taxiing. It's got that tricycle landing gear, so really good control on the runway. Let's do our control surface test. I see right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator. Very little elevator throw with this, you don't need it. Right rudder, left rudder.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps.
And it's got landing and takeoff flaps. Now, it's nice slotted flaps, so I guess maybe they're called Fowler flaps, I believe. But allows wind to kind of pass between them. It's very slight, but they are kind of like what the timber flaps are. All right, so we've got our range test done. The wind is coming right at us, what little wind there is. And let's go for it.
Flaps up.
Just so you are aware, I've got an AS3X mode only. What a great model.
5 minutes.
Great model to fly. Barely half throttle right now. And look, hands off. And she's flying just as beautiful. Yeah, not even half throttle now. Kick it up a notch. Got a nice roll rate on her.
Landing flaps.
This is one of those models, though, that you don't need any elevator to flap mix. The instructions do not call out for one, and I'm telling you, you don't need it. Oh, I wish I'd been over a little bit. That'd been a great landing. So let me walk over. Should have powered out of it and got on the runway. So let's back her up a little bit. I'm keeping my hand away from the throttle, or from the prop. Okay, put her back down here on the runway.
Takeoff flaps.
And I think I can take off in this much space. Yeah.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 4 minutes.
I'm running a 3200 3S in her. Just so you're aware, got my timer set for 6 minutes. There. Great flying model.
Landing flaps.
She'll slow right down with them landing flaps. And like I say, landing flaps are in. I'm not having to touch the elevator at all. You can see she's just locked in, nice and rock solid. See if we can't get you a nice flyby here.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Nice presentation pass there. Well, of course, with that blue sky and that blue plane, definitely blends into the background there. Ah, I messed that up.
Flaps up.
Slow roll. You gotta slow your roll, man. Slow your roll. There, she'll fly inverted for you. I just don't like flying inverted. I know y'all have heard me say that 80 billion times. It just feels so unnatural. And it's not natural. I mean, this is a scale plane. Kind of a sporty plane, but still a scale plane.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right. This will be a no flap landing this time. And a touch and go. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Great, great scale flying plane.
Landing.
We will do landing flaps this time.
Flaps up.
Hit that bump and popped right back up again. Nice slow roll. Let's do a nice barrel roll. Or a big roll. Take her up and see how she stalls. All right.
Time remaining 1 minute. Landing flaps.
Man, what a great flying plane. I don't know why I don't fly this plane more often. Probably because I have so many freaking planes. I've been selling a lot of planes though, folks, just so you know. People in my club have been buying them. I just need to make more room. And because I got more planes coming, and I'll sell planes, buy planes, in a constant state of, I got 36 seconds. We're going to do a no flap takeoff. And there you go. But I sell the planes to members of my club and help them enjoy it. I take really good care of my planes, and so literally like the old lady who only drives her car on Sunday sort of thing. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. All right, flaps up. And what you want to hear before you touch a model?
Motor off.
Motor off. Now this plane was before they had any of the smart technology. I do have a smart battery in her, and 3200 3S. She'll only run on 3S, I believe. I haven't tried her on 4S. I don't want to if it doesn't say it can. And let's see what kind of battery life we've got here. Still got 42% on a 6-minute timer, minus 8 seconds. So 5 minutes and 52 seconds. Got, what I say, 42%. That's perfect. The idea, if you can bring your model back at with your battery back between 30 and 50%, that is an awesome storage rate for your battery. So, well, anyways, there you go. That is the e-flite Cirrus SR22. Do not be surprised. I know I've said this about a lot of these planes, but when you go back and you look at the sales, if you paid attention to these models, this plane sold a lot. It's got a lot to offer. You've got nylon hinges on all the control surfaces except for the flaps. You've got lights. You've got scale detail. You've even got a light that shines in the cockpit whenever it's dark enough. And you got full lights, you know, flaps, great landing gear. And just so you know, this prop is the same prop that they put on the Turbo Evolution, Timber X, or maybe not the Timber X, but it's the same one for the Turbo Timber Evolution, same one for the regular Timber, or the Turbo Timber, the blue one. And so if you want to buy a prop that's got the white paint already on it, buy this one for your Evolution. So there you go, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I've said before, and let me turn the camera, I can actually look at you. You're my only sponsor. Horizon Hobby, e-flite, Hobby Zone, BitGo Hobby, Roaring Top, any of the places that I buy stuff from, they don't pay me. They don't give me planes for free. Now, I will be honest, some of them have given me planes at half price so that I'd review them, but I made it very clear. If the plane's a piece of crap, I'm going to say it's a piece of crap. If it's a good plane, I'm going to say it's a good plane. If it's something that maybe I did wrong and there's nothing wrong with the plane, then I'll say that. But I've only had maybe 5 planes of all of my 100 planes that I've got that I got half price. So I still had to pay for them. So just full disclosure on that. But you all, you wonderful viewers, are my sponsors. You watch my videos, you click that like button, the big thumbs up, you subscribe, and folks, that's what does it for me. And then you give them the comments. I want negative comments. I want positive comments. I want whatever you want to say about my video. You know, or you just want to ask me a question about me or my channel. I don't care. Go right ahead. I really enjoy it. And because I'll do things wrong and I'll say things wrong, okay? And I'm famous for that. So let me know when I screw up, okay? Because I want to improve my channel for you, okay? Thank you, folks. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.